mommy's so happy?
Yeah.
And why I'm crying?
Yeah. Why? We're getting Ember soon?
We're getting Ember. We know who she is.
When?
We have her picture. We know how old she is.
Yes.
And we get to get her soon.
When?
Hopefully this year.
So full of joy, and you're a light to everybody that you are around. So today, Red, I've dunked you 1,000 times in a pool before. And I know you wanted me to do a power dunk today, but it's going to be a little softer. But Red,